Good evening, traders. This is Brian from TraderShark.com, an educational website to learn how to trade the S&P emini futures. Today is Thursday, July 7th, 2011. The following are examples of trade setups that occur on a regular basis. We are showing two trade setups for a potential profit of 5 ES ticks. Stay tuned on the video. We're going to show you a second part of the series in reference to hook patterns and how they develop and how you have an opportunity to make even more profit than what we showed today. This morning at 8:15 and 8:30 we had news reports on employment situation. One was within consensus range, the other was better than expected. The market took off as expected and then gradually took a sell-off. 9:30 the market opened up at 1346.75 and continued the sell-off, probably taking out the stops of the newer traders wanting to get long based on the news report that happened an hour ago. Coming out of the no trade zone, we have a no trade zone from 9:30 until 9:45. We had an opportunity to get long, target 1 and target 2 for a total of 7 ES ticks. You'll notice it ended up consolidating right up here around opening price, only to pull back, test opening price again, pull back, opportunity to get long, target 1 was hit, but we did not follow through for target 2. As a result, we had minus 2 ES ticks. These magenta lines are hourly range high and low levels. The no trade zone here is from 11:30 in the morning till 1:15 Eastern Standard Time. It's a period of time that we do not trade, primarily because it's lower volume and higher volatility. Coming out of the no trade zone, we had an opportunity to get long, and we had no fill. In other words, it continued to hit our price, but we did not fill. It did continue on for target 1 and target 2. The rest of the day was quite choppy. We had an opening gap of over 11 points to the upside, so we kept on the long side, staying long. There was a shorting opportunity here going into the close. We did not get a chance to get on that trade. All in all, we had 2 trades for a total of 5 ES ticks. Stay tuned for an additional video. I'm going to show you in reference to the hook patterns. To learn more about these and more advanced trade setups, such as the shark attack and the wave trade, or for a copy of the trading manual, please visit TraderShark.com. Thank you and have a great evening. Good evening, traders. This is Brian with TraderShark.com. This is the additional video we talked about in reference to the hook patterns that we use on a consistent basis in addition to the trade plan trade setups. This morning at about 10:30 we had an ideal hook pattern set up. Our entry is right at the close of this candle for an upside target of 1349.75. The second hook pattern was an entry right here at about 11:45. This was within a no trade zone, so a lot of people did not take this trade. Some traders do choose to trade within a no trade zone. If you had an opportunity to take the first trade, you would have yielded as much as 14 ES ticks. If you had an opportunity to get onto the second trade, you would have yielded as much as 20 ticks. The second trade was less likely because most traders do not take trades in the no trade zone. That's about it for the hook pattern. If you have any questions or you'd like to, please feel free to check out TraderShark.com. Thank you and have a great evening.